The Election Commission has notified the election of India's next president on July 18. The term of President Ramnath Kovind ends on July 24 and the new president will assume office by 26. BJP-led ND announced Draupadi Murmu as a candidate. Meanwhile, Yashwant Sinha was chosen as the common candidate for opposition parties. Now here the question is how India elects its president. What are the qualifications required? Who elects the president of India? How is voting done? It's quite complicated, but you don't worry. I will try to make it simple and we will try to understand that how India elects its president. Hello and welcome friends, I am Rushi Thekdi and you are watching Vibes of India. So let's start with the qualification required to contest the election for the top constitutional post in India. To be a candidate for the top position, a candidate must be a citizen of India and must have completed 35 years of age. He must be eligible to be a member of Lok Sabha. The candidate should not holding any office of profit under the Government of India or any state government. However, the candidate may be holding the office of President or Vice President or Governor of any state or Minister of the Union or any state and shall be eligible to contest election. Now let's know the process for nomination. A nomination paper of a candidate for the election has to be made in the prescribed form and it has to be subscribed by at least 50 electors as proposers and at least 50 electors as seconders. Here electors refers to MPs and MLAs. The candidates were also required to fork over rupees 15,000 as deposit. But the question is who elects the President of India? The President is elected by an electoral college which consists of the elected member of both houses of Parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha and the elected members of the legislative assemblies, MLAs, of all the states and also of NCT of Delhi and the Union Territory of Puducherry. If we talk about the general elections where people choose their representatives, each person have the vote value of 1 person. 1 person is equals to 1 vote. But in the presidential election, the number of vote value is different. Let's first take the MLAs. The member of legislative assemblies, vote value is depend on the particular state's population. Now here is a small math lesson for you. There is a formula to understand and to count the value of the vote of each MLAs included in electoral college. The formula is total population of state as per 1971 census divided by total number of MLAs of the state and then further divide it by 1000. Let us understand this by an example. Total population of Gujarat as per 1971 census is 2,66,97,475. Now dividing it by total number of elected members of the assembly, Gujarat have total 182 assembly members. Now further divide it by 1000. So we will get the number 146.68 which is approximately 147. The value of votes of each MLAs of Gujarat is 147. After calculating in this manner, the total votes by all states including NCT of Delhi and Union Territory of Puducherry tallies to 5,43,200. Sum of total of vote value of all MLAs is 5,43,200. Compared to the calculation of MLAs, the calculation of Member of Parliament is quite easy because the value of vote of all MPs is equal. Let us look at the formula of the MPs to get their value of vote. Sum of total of vote value of MLAs divided by total number of MPs, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, 543 plus 233, which is 5,43,200, which is the sum of total of vote value of MLAs divided by 776, which are the total number of MPs, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So we will get 700. So the value of vote of all MPs is 700. Thus, the total value of the electoral college will be 10,86,400, which is the sum of the total value of all MLAs and MPs, 5,43,200 plus 5,43,200, which is 10,86,400. This is how India elects its president. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for such amazing and informative videos.